this is Andrew, and this is my Power Ranger semi maggot sword, and I don't have the big knife because I don't ride it. And let me tell you all of the symbols name. Earth, water, fire, forest, earth, wind. And let me show you how we turn these into animals mode. It's easy. You just take these out and take those out. And the same with the butt legs. Take these out. And this is the animal mode. This is the biggest one. This is the biggest one because. And now you see this spear here? It's easy. You just have to pull these legs out.
Would you not agree? It's like something out of 16 and pregnant.